Hello friends, welcome to Excellence Icon, and today we're gonna learn what is habitat. What is habitat? The place where a living thing lives is habitat. It is the place where it can find food, shelter, protection and mates. Living things live in different habitat. As we all know that camel lives in desert, but donkey doesn't live in forest. Donkey mainly live on the roads. Do you know a living thing can be a habitat of other living things? This is a plant or a tree, which is a living thing, but it's also a habitat of other living things, like we can say insects, birds especially. These living things have this habitat, which are also living things. A tree is a habitat of smaller plants such as ferns and orchids. Animals such as ants and birds, fungi, and you know that a human being is a habitat of many different types of microorganisms. Tiny living things such as bacteria. Tiny means small, as microorganisms. Micro means small, and organism we can say as a living thing. Habitat of a duck is water. Ducks swim in the water. A habitat of a polar bear is in the cold area. Many students also question this, that why a polar bear can't feel the coldness in the area. Actually, the thick fur of polar bear is a good absorber of heat. He is safe with his fur and he couldn't feel it. Keeps the polar bear hotter and it doesn't feel the coldness, or he doesn't feel the atmosphere. That's why he can live many years in a colder area. The shark and the fishes mainly lives in the water. Above the water, they can be die. Stream bodies and fin help the fish to move in the water. This help a shark to move and just run or walk in the water. This shark have the shelter in the water and it is safe in the water. When we'll put out the shark out of the water, so it can be die. Also the food is provided here, means the shark ate the smaller fishes and the smaller fishes eat more than smaller fishes. So this how they can also eat the food and the food supply in the water. The same example of penguin which live in a colder area is about their fur, which keeps the penguin more warmer, and this warm couldn't feel the coldness in the cold area and it can live thousands of years in a cold area. It also gets the shelter, and mainly the penguins live in Antarctica. The food of penguin is fishes.